Hello everyone. Next we are moving ahead. Here we are making a single rose. First we are starting with the middle and detailing it. After that we are making the leaves and the stem of this, and then we are adding more leaves like this, and then you can color it as per your choice. For the next flower, first we are starting with the petals of this flower, as you can see. Then we are moving ahead to the stem. After that we are making some grass around it, as you can see, and your flower is ready. Next, first we are drawing this jasmine flower. For that we need to make the petals and the middle part first, as you can see, and then we are adding leaves beside that, and then you can color it. For next flower, we are adding some spiral design and then covering it with a beautiful bouquet, as you can see. Then we are adding a bow to it, and then we are detailing it by making some leaves on the bouquet so that it looks like a real flowers. And then you can see your cute bouquet is ready. Next we will move ahead. Here we are making a flower by making the petals at first, then we are adding middle part. After that we are making the stem of these flowers followed by the leaves, and then we are coloring it with pink color. Next we are making a flower bouquet starting with the bow, and then we are making the bouquet. Onto that we are adding some beautiful flowers, and then you can color the bouquet as per your choice. It looks so beautiful, and then it's ready.